Yes, Jah. Showers of blessing, Jah. Yes, Father. Rain, 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 rain. Yes, my people, you see it? Rain a fall, people. Water like wood. Yeah. Don't know no people rain a fall. I'm going to cook some food in the rain, yeah? Yes, my people. So on stay tuned. Because we are cook food, you know, because rain a fall. So food have you eat. Eat my people. Yes, my people. Yes, my people. So they are again, you know. Yes, my people. They are again in the evening, my people. On the night, you know, my people. Are evening. So what you are going to know? Want to see this? The chain that you know, people. Chuku, 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 chuku. So I don't know, say. All of these are cook some stew peas. Yeah, some stew peas. Some chicken foot. Take the paper. Yeah. Stew peas and chicken foot. Yeah. So I'm sure now I warm up over here so you know. So that are the chicken foot, my paper in the water. These are the peas. I'm going to wash it and set them on. I have some rice. I'm going to cook with some ackee. So actually like a seasoned rice thing. You understand the paper? With some stew peas. Yeah, with the chicken foot. So I'm going to wash the peas. Yeah, I have to rinse off your peas then. Yeah. Don't know my paper. I have to rinse off your peas. Show this now the pressure cooker, my people. My people, I'm going to pour some more water in that, so I'm going to forward them the people. See the people, so that. So we have garlic, scallion, and thyme. So you have a rinse off them in the paper, you see it? Rinse them off in the water, you see? We put them in the pressure cooker. And we have some pimento seed. And I'm going to drop in a lot of it. Yep. And then I'm going to cover this and take it to the stove. Paper fire on that. So I don't know, chicken food time, you know, my paper. No itchings, you know, we don't itch. So that's how we do the chicken foot them. Yeah, if you cut off it, throw them in the paper, we don't cook too. Eat my paper. So now stay tuned, my paper. Yes, my people, so now see it now. Pressure cook over there, so I run. We have mixed vegetable, rice in the pot. I'll see what's going on over here. See that? So make a slice up there, ackee a little finer. Yes, my people. But watch out now, anyway, take it to go and mash up. So we don't waste some time on that, my people. Yeah, I'm not waste some time on that. So watch what I want. I'll put your rice to your face. Watch your rice. I see chicken put up paper. Well cut up already. Clean up on thing. But the peas are now my paper. The peas look like it took to me, so I'm going to take it down a little bit. You know, want the chicken put to mash up. You understand the paper? So I'm going to wash the rice paper and I'm going to show you what's going on. Alright, my peeps? Yeah, chop up some garlic and paper. Yes, put it on the rice. garlic and chop up. Look what you want on my people. Right. Pot. Onion garlic. Wash. You feed after you wash. We are going to put in scallion and thyme, pepper, butter, that the paper. Power dia na may paper ka lupa ako lang ang paper. Everything I get washed now, rinse off in the paper. Mix vegetable that in my paper. Keep my paper. I will stir it up and I see one. I keep ackee, mixed vegetable, scallion, thyme, butter. One more less on a piece. Let me tell me how. Oh, me here no man. Salt. Salt as it going on into my paper. You see that? Yes, my peep. And then I go cover him up my peeps and I want to have one. Cover up back my peep. And then so this steam now my people for you have one. With the peeps. Yes, my peep. Peas look like I can put my chicken foot in there. Do. Eat me peep. Look, peep. Like back his stove, me peep. Lock up back his peep. You know, so once you want to go and say do it. The people a bit thin cooked now. Yep. So I know it's a season up time. Right, it's ready in a peeps. Look at knife to people, you see it? Sharp like razor, my people. Yeah man. Very, very sharp, my peeps. Yeah, we have a little one inside too. Okay, so I go and cut up some seasoning. I don't want to go on and we don't cut up the seasoning. I want to we don't cut up the seasoning and no thing's gonna get there. Scotch bonnet. Irish in the people, see it? Yes, ja. Sweet pepper. Garlic again. Yes, people, roadside me out there, I understand, so I don't know. You're going to hear that vroom vroom and bram bram. I understand. You are going. Yes, my peeps. See it? We have some mix up season of this, my people, and see it? Jerk season, all type of mix up in it. You don't know. Season up this and you. Paper season up time, my pip. Yep. Watch the seasoning board, my paper. Remember, chicken cooked with red peas, so we call that stew peas. Alright, that's all. Yep. Yeah. The rice with ackee and mixed vegetables, so we call that season rice. So back to this now, my people. We run off the scallion and the onion and the thyme and everything I show off. You understand? Carrot and garlic and everybody. Good. Yes, my pip. Yes, pip. Food time, food time. I want a full time, you know, people, so I see it. Yes, man, I season rice. Yep. I don't know, we do anything already, you know, people. I understand. Don't know, we do anything, people. Eat my pip. Yes. So we are go over these two peas. I take a good look at my paper. See it? Two peas. See it? See it? Yeah. Yes, my peeps, so see it. It's my paper and food, that's enough. This is an idea on the little table, my peep. One more Viva water again in my paper. Yes, Ja. Don't run yourself, man. I know I don't want to see blending up in my peep. So you don't know. Nothing done before the time, right? That's it, my peep. Strawberry Viva water. Yeah, my peep, so I don't know, see me right just on my peep. Yeah. You don't know what you eat here. I don't know. That will have us, so I have to smoke. My peep, you know. Hot, you know, my peep. Yeah, hot blood, my peep. Yeah, man, so. Let's see what I go back in the plate again, my peep. I'm going to take our next look in it, man. So, when I say, then I go out and I meat. Grab out some of my meat, man. What do you mean, man? Take up all the whole plate, because I'll big have a whole pot right there. So, I don't know nothing that. So, I don't know my face, I'm going to drink some of the Viva water, you know, because Jaja. I tell you, say, in the hot. In the hot, my people, you understand? Yeah. My people, I'm going to taste up the food around my people, because I know I don't want to see that said, you understand the people? So, remember, you know, seasoned rice, stew peas, with chicken foot in it, my people, that one with the meat. You don't know my people, you grate all ackee with the rice and the mixed vegetable in it. So you don't know it's logo going on my people. Like, subscribe and share my people. So I'm going to check out the people because you don't know. Table manners done. No eating and talking my people. So I'm going to check out my people. One love.